Hello, hello mga guys! Welcome to my podcast, Sarap W Jordan with Love. Guys, look at the weather here in Amman, Jordan. Guys, look at the sky. Oh my god, it's very black. It will be raining. OMG, please like and follow me. Share also mga guys. Thank you for watching. Len Marie Musra of W Jordan with Love. Guys, ang beauty guys namon guys. Sa sagwa guys oh. Purti kay itong kang langit guys, mabundak gid ang uran. The rain is coming and very windy mga guys. Guys oh. Mabundak gid ang uran mga guys. Purti katulo mga guys oh. This is the weather in Amman, Jordan mga guys. Very cold and very windy. Oh my god. Very black ang sky mga guys oh. Thank you for watching mga guys. Please follow to my Instagram and my YouTube channel. Guys, oh my god, very black guys. Ang weather and very windy. Love you all mga guys. Mauran gid guys. Thank you for watching. Stay safe everyone.